This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
What I'm going to walk you through now is how to use templates and symbols. And templates and symbols are incredible. It's actually a new release from Thrive Themes, so that goes to show you they are constantly updating the Thrive Architect plugin. And when they came out with this, I was so ecstatic. The potential is just crazy. So let me show you what it is. But before we do that, I'm just going to build something. So here we have the heading. Below that, I'm going to add a paragraph. Make it white so it's easier to see. And then add a simple button. And I'll change the color. Align it to the left. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of these three elements inside of a content box. So that is a way of grouping them all together. And I want to make sure it says below paragraph. So now if I click on this element, I'm going to go up a level on the hierarchy and click on content box. And here we have the trash where you can delete it, you can clone it, you can move it, and then we also see this symbol right here. And this means save this element as a template or a symbol. And a template is something that you can reuse on your site, where if you edit one of the templates, the other template is not affected. So let me show you what I mean by that. I'm going to save it. We're going to make sure template selected. And I'm just going to say content box template example. And then click on save. So now let's say I wanted to reuse this template on another part of my website. Or this could also be on another page on your site. I'm going to drag the templates and symbols element over here. And under templates, we'll see our content box template. I'm going to select that and choose template. And there we go. We've just loaded that template. And watch what happens when I edit this heading here. That heading does not change the heading of the other template. So these elements live on their own. They're not connected in any way. But another option you have is to save this as a template. So now I'm going to take this content box, click the save button, or sorry, this is a symbol. You can save it as a symbol. So I'm going to select symbol and then say test symbol, and then save that as a symbol. Now we get some really interesting options. So first I'm just going to delete this. And this is our symbol. I'm going to drag the templates and symbols element to this column, click on symbols, and then choose the test symbol. Now with the symbol selected, you can edit as a symbol. And now I'll just change the heading. And then click Save and Close Symbol. Boom. Isn't that awesome? So all your symbols are automatically linked together. And that means when you change one of the symbols, every other symbol that matches that symbol will change with it. And this is not just on a single page. If you have this symbol on different pages on your website, then all those symbols change whenever you change any one of them. And one of the most obvious uses for this that's gotten me really excited is menus. So if you were to take a look on my website, this top bar right here, the navigation, is a symbol. So if I click on home, you'll see this is a symbol. And if I click on tools, you're taken to a completely different page, but I dropped in the same symbol. And what this means is if I ever want to update this menu, all I have to do is update it on one page, and it automatically updates on all pages on my website. And that's just one of the infinite possibilities you have with symbols. Now with this symbol, you could unlink it, and then it basically becomes like a template, where you can change the heading, But now it's not going to change with all other symbols.